So you're visiting Bangkok and you'll be passing through Don Mueang International Airport. That's a nice place to be. Bangkok is a happening city and there's a ton of stuff to do. But you'll want to make the most of your time at the airport as well, so you're in the right place. Before we get started, just a quick note that Don Mueang is a practical airport. And what we mean by that is it's not designed to be a destination in and of itself like Singapore Changi or Doha Hamad. It's Bangkok's low-cost carrier hub. On timetables, you'll mainly see airlines like AirAsia, Lion Air, and Nok Air. Don Mueang is about getting people in and out efficiently, so you won't get art installations or museums here, but you can still make the most of your time. So let's take a look around. First things first, if you need a bite to eat or a caffeine hit, you've got a lot of choice. Both domestic and international terminals have a wide variety of restaurants and cafes, and there are water points dotted throughout the airport. We said Don Mueang is a practical airport, right? You can get some money changed and print your boarding pass, get your luggage wrapped by Mrs. Wrap, and sit back and relax with some chargy tea while waiting for your counter to open. And speaking of practicality, check out this nifty-looking robot vacuum. If you happen to be in Don Mueang but have a departing flight at Suvarnabhumi, there's a free shuttle bus service that leaves every 30 minutes and takes about 1.5 hours depending on traffic. And now for something that takes advantage of Don Mueang's location, which is in the northern part of Bangkok. There are some interesting attractions nearby, and the airport is well connected by bus. For as little as 30 to 50 baht, you can take a direct trip to Chatuchak Weekend Market and even go as far as Khao San Road. It sounds ironic, but one of the best things you can do at Don Mueang is to leave Don Mueang. So you don't have to carry your heavy luggage with you. There are luggage storage areas in both terminals. There's one called Left Baggage, located on the second floor of Terminal 1, in the hallway connecting both terminals. It costs 75 baht to leave your luggage for up to 24 hours, and you pay when you come back to collect it. Make sure to keep your receipts safe. So in terms of heading out, Chatuchak Weekend Market is a good choice. As the name suggests, it's properly open on the weekend. If your trip to Bangkok happens to be during the week, but your flight is on the weekend, now's your chance. It's only 30 minutes away and certainly worth a visit. For specific instructions on how to get to Chatuchak Weekend Market from Don Mueang International Airport, we have another video and the link is in the description. Okay, so you made sure you had enough time, you explored for a while, and now you're headed back. Let's see what else there is to do at the airport. You won't get many of these at Don Mueang, but here's an impressive replica of the Grand Palace. Not quite as good as the real thing, but what you will get at Don Mueang is the ability to shop, perhaps till you drop. Here's a King Power duty-free outlet. Once you've passed security and you're now at the airside section of international departures. And just to clarify, you'll only get duty-free at the international departures terminal. The idea is that you can buy things without paying certain taxes that you'd normally pay inside a country. But since you're leaving the country and you won't be using the products in Thailand, the airport allows you to buy these items tax-free. King Power is a Thai-specific brand and the largest duty-free business in the country. And in Don Mueang, you've got a mix of products from cosmetics and perfumes to tasty snacks, plushy toys, and souvenirs you can bring back home. Aside from going to a specific outlet or service, it's nice to just walk around and explore. Don Mueang has a pretty nice vibe. Say hi to another robot vacuum. This one has a permanent smile on his face, and this one seems to have made a new friend. There's ample seating, and since it tends not to be too noisy, you can read a book, listen to a podcast, and take in the ambience of passengers on their way to different parts of Asia. Don Mueang is also well equipped for passengers who want to get some work done. And while this video is about fun things to do at Don Mueang, who knows, maybe you really like your job. As you can see here, there are charging points for you to top up your electronic devices. These sockets can accommodate a variety of international plugs as well as USB charging. There's also free Wi-Fi at the airport, so if your boss messages you inquiring about how things are going, you can use Don Mueang's internet connectivity to reply that what happens in Bangkok stays in Bangkok. Some seats have table space for you to place a laptop on, again with charging points, and you can also get a pretty nice view. And that's another thing, you'll notice as you walk around, there are big wide floor-to-ceiling windows that give you a view of Don Mueang's non-stop activity on the outside. Here's some luggage being loaded onto a Lion Air plane, a Batik airplane that presumably has just landed, and the Don Mueang International Airport sign shining bright at night. It can be nice to grab a drink, find a good spot, and watch the constant movement of planes landing, taking off, and the round-the-clock action of airport operations. Now, if you want to step up your comfort, there are a couple of lounges, including the Coral Executive Lounge and the Miracle Lounge. Just make sure before booking to check the specific facilities of each lounge, which range from food and beverage and lounge seating to private resting areas and shower facilities. And if that's not enough, there are outlets where you can relax with a foot massage, a back and shoulder massage, and a traditional Thai massage. So now it's time for your flight. Use any facilities you need and top up your water bottle. Hopefully your devices are charged and you've got enough snacks. Don Mueang may not have the art installations of Istanbul Airport or the entertainment options of Singapore Changi, but it has the practicalities for passengers to have a smooth journey. You can still do a bit of plane spotting if you have a window seat, and you can get a nice view of Bangkok as you head to your next destination.